What actually is a blog and how does it even work? Is it still a thing in 2025? You must have seen people talking about blogs, maybe even stumble onto one looking up a recipe or some travel tips. Whether you want to share your thoughts with the world, build a brand, or even make money from your laptop, blogging might be the move. So what is a blog? A blog, originally short for weblog, is much more than just an online journal. It's a dynamic website or a section of a site where content is published as individual posts. These posts are displayed in reverse chronological order, making fresh content the first thing readers see. Think of it as your digital magazine where you are an editor, writer, and publisher. While blogs began in the late 1990s as a personal diaries, today they serve diverse functions, sharing knowledge, building communities, educating audiences, and powering marketing strategies. Even though blogs have evolved, several key components are still the same, like dated posts, easy navigations, engaging visuals, and an interactive comment sections. These elements give blogs their unique identity. Is blog still a thing? Yes, blogging is still thriving. Did you know there are over 600 million blogs online among nearly 1.9 billion websites? That means about a third of all websites are blogs. On average, 7.5 million new blog posts are published daily, and about 77% of internet users regularly read blog posts. So what's trending in 2025? 70% of blog traffic comes from mobile devices, highlighting the importance of responsive design. Google also prioritizes content that demonstrates expertise and trust, which is EEAT, experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness, meaning that high-quality, well-sourced blog content is more important than ever. So, why people blog? People blog for countless reasons: self-expression, sharing expertise, growing a business. It can be a passion project for individuals, travels, lifestyle, food, and personal development. For professionals, blogging can drive brand awareness, demonstrate through leadership, and foster community. Business benefits significantly. 55% more website visitors come to companies with active blogs than those without. Moreover, 67% of marketers report that blog content is their top inbound marketing priority. Blogs aren't just one type. You can find personal blogs like diaries, reflections, and stories about daily life, niche blogs like focusing on specific topics like fitness, tech, or parenting, business blogs that are central to the company's content marketing strategies, affiliate blogs monetized through affiliate links and product reviews, news or commentary blogs covering trends and updates in real time. For more detail on types of blog, you can check our article linked in the description below. So, how blog actually works? Behind the scene, blogs rely on content management system, with WordPress being the most powerful, which powers over 43.4% of all websites. We'll cover how blog works in short. If you want a full guide, then check out our article on how to start a blog. Now, the first thing you need to do is get yourself hosting and domain. Then you need to install WordPress, which some hosting will do it for you. Once installed, WordPress will give you a dashboard to draft posts, customize design, add plugins, and adjust settings. Organizing your content is crucial. Blogs use categories and tags to improve navigation and SEO. For example, a travel blog might categorize posts by continent and tag them with themes like budget travels or solo travel. This structure supports a better user experience and search engine visibility. The blog typically includes a header with navigation, a sidebar with widgets like search bar or recent posts, the main content area, and footer with legal links or contact information. And don't forget the comment section. This interaction helps build community and keeps reader coming back. Don't forget to check our article on how to start a blog for full guide. So what makes blogs stand out? First, focus on quality content and coordinate with a consistent schedule. Interestingly, bloggers who publish 16 or more posts per month often see 3.5 times more traffic than lower frequency blogs. Structuring posts matters too. Long-form content over 2,000 words typically gets 3 times more traffic and 4 times more shares. Visuals make huge impact. Posts with images receives 94% more views, so mix in photos, infographics, or embed videos to keep readers engaged. Internal linking is another powerful strategy, boosting organic traffic by up to 40%. And updating old content. Doing so can revive its performance by up to 106%. Can you monetize blog? Yes, you can make money from blogging, but it takes time, strategy, and consistent implementation. Common monetization methods include affiliate marketing, display ads, sponsored posts, paid content or courses, and offering freelance services. Blogging trends today. AI is reshaping blogging. Around 65% of bloggers now use AI tools at least occasionally. Embedding multimedia, especially video, boosts performance. Blog posts with videos enjoy 83% higher dwell time. Additionally, audio formats like podcasts are gaining popularity. 38% of bloggers report strong results when adding audio to posts. And don't forget to track your blog success. Keep an eye on key metrics like organic traffic, reading time on page, conversion rate, and engagement indicators like comments and shares. That's all for now. If you found this helpful, then hit that like and subscribe button and tell us what topic you want us to cover next.